Morning guys, this is kind of a different video. I've never filmed a video like this before, but basically the day today is just almost like a day in the life. I saw Stable Ronaldo do this and I was just inspired. So I thought it'd be interesting because I have a cool car too. So today I'm gonna take my R33 Nissan Skyline to Cars and Coffee. It's like super wet on top, so it's like, you just gotta take off this whole thing, bro. It's kind of annoying to take off every time I drive the car. I've been driving this thing a lot though. Like, I love this car. It's actually my favorite. Where am I going? Oh. I think I should have given this a car wash. It's perfect weather though, bro. I'm super hyped about that. Look at how nice it is, dude. That's so sick. It's like my favorite weather ever. It never looks like this. And it'll clear up for sure in like an hour, but.
I actually like this for like at least 2 hours.
Really?
Yeah, I was looking at the weather.
That's so nice, bro. Yeah, I just love how this car feels, bro. All right, we are pulling up. We're pulling up to Cars and Coffee. I'm not seeing anything crazy yet. I thought I saw a GT3 RS earlier, but I don't see it anymore. I feel like I have to get another Skyline after this. Like, I feel like I could not get a different car. Like, if I'm gonna get a sports car, I have to get another Skyline. But I don't know. The Civic's so sick right there. Did you see that Civic? That thing was sick. It looks like a GTI kind of.
Oh yeah, it looked like a GT. Like that one?
Yeah, that thing was sick. Bro, this is the best thing ever. It's so sick. That's a clean GT3, bro. That thing is beautiful. That was dope. I was here, there was a Ferrari Enzo, it was crazy. How we just pulled up. Bro, this is so fire. We already know we got the Skyline here. I want some coffee. What the, look at that exhaust. GT40 insides are like, it's so cool, the interior, bro. Dude, I love going to Cars and Coffee. It's like such like a relaxing thing to me. It's also like the perfect way to end my week. There's a section over here, down there, where there's just straight up like, they have the coolest Skylines and like, just dope cars, but they're always down at like, in this little like segment over here. I'm gonna walk over now. I'm probably gonna grab some coffee too. Wesley, you want some coffee?
Yeah.
That was so anticlimactic and monotone. What is happening here? Bro, look at that. Bro, I have a lot of car friends that don't like freak out over the LFAs, but I'm just different. Like, I just don't really, I don't know. They're just not like that cool to me, in my opinion, which is interesting. But like, they're cool, but I would just literally never buy one. Bro, this thing is crazy. The rims are insane. Fronts are insane. Wow, bro. Ron really has one of these, bro. That's just so insane. Hey, Ron, if you're watching this, we gonna make a video, bro. We have to just go to Cars and Coffee and hang out together, bro. You gotta take me with you for a day. That would be crazy. So beautiful, bro. And the Carmen wing. Insane. So many Ferraris, dude. SF90. Look at all these things, bro. Oh my, RS6 is such a beautiful car, bro. Oh, I love these cars, bro. It's just like a really attractive car to me. Like the back, super clean. I'm taking an RS6 over an LFA any day, bro. Crazy? I don't know. No. Bro's scared to stream. Wow, such a beautiful car. What is this? I think it's pretty cool too. This thing is so sick. I don't like it as much as the old one at all, but it's still a cool car. I know, look at this GT3, it's just a really beautiful car all around, bro. It's just really like, oh, what the? Listen, we gotta come here with like, what? Strike a pose? What? What are you talking about? Look at this Targa. Look at this thing, dude. How does this wing even work though? What are you talking about? You're like turning the whole thing wrong.
Do it.
No.
Strike a pose.
All right, I just don't understand. Weston, you like this one more than Cars and Coffee San Clemente or no?
Yeah.
I don't know if I like this more.
Because the weather's better.
Oh, here? Yeah. I'm starting to like this one more, but I never did before. Also, there's like the craziest hidden cars like in this gas station, like hidden usually. Not these, that's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about like right here, they'll have some like crazy expensive cars right there. All right, guys, we're gonna grab a bit of coffee. real quick. You already know. You already know I need that morning coffee. It's hard for me to not drink coffee, bro. All right. Wait, guys, that's too many people.
No, you're like
Stop doing that.
salty.
No, stop doing that. Just take the drink.
That's not my drink.
That's a mocha. That's your iced mocha. Oh wait, you got hot mocha?
No, ice vanilla latte.
Okay, then maybe this isn't you.
Okay, my phone.
Oh wait, it's Owen. Bro, you got it. They gave you ice, bro. He gave you ice. Just drink it. It'll be good, bro. It'll be good. Sorry about that. Catch ya. See ya, bro. Let's get out of here. Thank you, bro. Bro, you gotta get when you have a crazy setup, if you stream 24/7, you're crazy. Literally, bro, if you have like camera like this, better than this, zoomed out more. You guys seen that? Oh my goodness. Beautiful GTR 34 Skyline, bro. Beautiful car. It's dirty, but
So
it's
why are
beautiful.
these different colors?
Those are different colors on the GTR. They're not different colors on the GTT, which is the same car, but not the racing version.
Are they both reverse lights, or is that just the reverse light?
Actually, no, I think they're both reverse lights, but the red one on the right makes it so that it's more like F1 style, is what I've heard. But I'm not totally sure that that's true. Like, I already have my dream car, like, I already have a Skyline, but bro, just this too, like, makes it just, I don't know. It's just so beautiful. Like, everything about it is so cool. The xenon headlights are very clean. Interior is so beautiful, bro. Everything I want, dude. You know this thing rips, too.
I'm gonna have one very soon.
You want a GTR? I didn't know that ever.
Really?
I thought you wanted a Supra, Mark IV, or...
Like Skyline's what I'm Super.
If you could pick your first car, you'd pick a Skyline?
First car is a S2K.
S2K, first car.
Second
Okay.
car is SVJ. S2K to SVJ.
That's the goal? That's fire. Dude, mine's GTR is like so sick, but they're so like rare,
Have a photo
bro.
of it.
So expensive. Okay, we don't have to keep looking at it.
Well,
I just
like
love
your
this
headlights
car.
more than this one's.
I don't, dude.
Oh, okay.
I love this car. Like, I love my car, but I love this car. My friend London, one of my really good friends, you guys definitely know who I'm talking about if I show you like a picture of him. Maybe you don't, actually, but wow, bro, that GTR is beautiful. I cannot get over the beauty of that GTR. Like, I cannot. Such an incredible car. And right here, bro, this is what I was talking about. This GTI with the Thule on top. I love when people put Thules on top of the car. Just look at that. I love that look. But the GTR, gosh dang, bro, nothing compares to that car. Look at that thing. We're going to the Skyline right now. It's over here. I low-key think I parked in a totally illegal spot. So I kind of have to go move right now. But last time I was able to park here, but I don't know about this time. We'll see what happens. My friend London, his dad has like one of the actually the coolest R8 I've ever seen in my life. This one's really cool too though, I will say. This one's getting up there. Yeah, this guy took his spot though. I think it's crazy.
I'm gonna get an RX-7 for this car.
Oh, okay, yeah. You just get an RX-7, you know, same price as a Supra. And then you have to register it in the US.
Yeah, and I'm gonna completely carbon fiber.
Oh. Oh. Look at this 34 GTR. Oh. Oh, don't get me started on this. Don't get me started on this. Oh my gosh, Nismo. I mean, this is the one we see every time, but wow, bro. Incredible car. The wheels, Nismo. Don't lie to me. Don't lie to me. You're lying to me now. That's a lie, dude. I love my car. That is actually my dream car. Like, I straight up love the Skyline. I never want to drive anything else, but wow, bro. This is a piece of art. There will be a day where I run into a fan here. That will be the coolest thing that'll be the coolest thing ever. I've never run into a fan at a car event. Wow. They're cool. They just drop in value the second you buy it.